Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I show you how to steam milk. I have a two milk jug. This is a 200 ml. This is a 300 ml. So how to steam milk today I show you. This is a steamer. First thing first, when I steam milk, first we need to clean steamer. You can see when I make one coffee, just I use a small fixer, small jug. How to steam milk? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always steam milk 2 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So steam milk one side 2 o'clock. Then this is a steamer. How you put? Just half. You can see. Just half. No need to put this like this wrong. This is wrong. Middle. This okay. You can steam 4 o'clock also can, 2 o'clock can. One side, that side. Middle cannot. So how to steam it today I show you. You can see now. You can see my milk. When finish milk steam, then you need to must be clean this thing. This is very important. Then you can see the milk should be nice. So guys, everybody please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.